Hello, I've got here a Oasi Black Edition from Wingamm, 610 centimeters in length, 224 in width, the height of 296. What's this vehicle got? It's got a very large lounge. It's got a bed in the roof which will come down, kitchen block to the right, and at the rear it comes with a side bed. So you can sleep 4 in here. So I think it's probably pushing it a bit, but I think it's about right for 2, but 4 is a bit too many, but never mind. We'll have a look here. Look at this enormous, absolutely fantastic washroom in this vehicle. I really like the way the lighting goes. That's so original. You won't find that in any other thing. Not only that, the walls are contoured, they're curvy. It's really outstanding. Very large sink in here, and whilst you're in the shower you can keep an eye on what's going on around you by watching out the window. There's a mirror up there with a cabinet behind it. And anyway, so I'll close this rounded door and come over to here. This is the wardrobe, and below it we've got some drawers. Note that the drawers have proper walls to them. At the back we've got storage around the bed, or over the bed I should say, and also storage under the bed as well. So the bed is about, what in my case it comes nearly to the top of my legs, that's the height of it. Kitchen block, got a large sink with a heavy one of these covers, a chopping board. I wouldn't use a chopping board when you pay all this money for a vehicle like this. And there's 2 burners. Below it there is of course a fridge and more storage under here, including in here we can find the location of where the gas controls are. Why is there only 2 gas controls? I think because this fridge is a 2-way fridge and not a 3-way fridge. So you can see what it looks like from the looking back down here. Now the outer shell is a single shell, it's called monocoque, and that is one of the reasons why the vehicle costs so much money. What about head height? Let's find out. So I'm standing up inside under the bed, and there's all this space. Obviously I'll go further back, I'm no longer under the bed, there'll be more space. Yeah, right, let's come out and walk around. There we have underbed storage, rear storage. Because of the position of the washroom and the bed, there's not so much in outer hatches to store materials. But anyway, hope you found it interesting. It's a very attractive vehicle. You're looking at around 140,000 for that. Depends on the equipment levels which are chosen, but it is not it's not a cheap option, but it is a very attractive option. So for the moment, thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.